A core principle of the EDC way of life is to always be prepared with the right tools for your daily needs. At Clip and Carry, we want to help you carry your EDC in the most comfortable and easily accessible manner. This is the SwissQlip by Clip and Carry, and it makes the world's greatest EDC multi-tool even better. For decades, the iconic Victorinox Swiss Army knives have undebatably been the most popular EDC multi-tools on the planet. But they do have their drawbacks. Carrying them loose in your pocket creates an EDC bulge and make it hard to access your knife. And when attached to your keyring, the tools become awkward to use. The SwissQlip is the result of 2 years of design and engineered to fit nearly all 91mm Swiss Army knife models. The SwissQlip attaches in seconds with a single Torx screw, utilizing the integrated keyring loop. So upgrade your EDC with the SwissQlip.